Al's coming. Go. Go on, Jesse. It's showtime. Oh, money, baby. Money. And now, the main attraction. No! Oh, no. What am I going to do? Oh, I know. Come on, pick up the phone. It's me, Sal. I got an emergency here. Yes, we're all busy. Look, it has to be tonight. All right. But first thing in the morning.
All right, nobody look till I get my cork back in.
Good work, men. 2 blocks down and only 19 more to go.
What? 19? We're going to do this all night? My parts are killing me.
Come on, fellas. Did Woody give up when Sid had me strapped to a rocket? No. And did he give up when you threw him out of the back of that moving van?
Oh, you had to bring that up.
No, he didn't. We have a friend in need, and we will not rest until he's safe in Auntie's room. Now let's move out.
And that concludes our broadcast day.
What is your problem? Look, I'm sorry I can't help you guys out. Really, I am. But you didn't have to go and pull a stunt like that.
What? You think I did that?
Oh, right.
You calling me a liar?
Well, if the boot fits.
Say that again.
If the boot fits.
Okay, cowboy. Take it back! Take it back!
Don't think just because you're a girl I'm going to take it easy on you. Yeah!
Enough of this nonsense!
I don't know. But fighting about it isn't helping anything.
If I had both my...
Well, the fact is you don't, Woody. So I suggest you just wait until morning. The cleaner will come, fix your arm,
and then I'm out of here. Oh, no, Bullseye. Don't take it that way. It's just that Andy...
Andy. That's all he ever talks about.